Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to see who shared your post on Instagram. Firstly, launch the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device, then log in if needed. Tap your profile picture in the top right or the bottom right corner, then tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Account Type and Tools, and under For Professional section, tap Switch to Professional Account. Then tap Next to proceed. Search for or select the category that best describes your business. Tap Switch to Personal Account to confirm. Now choose between Business or Creator, then toggle Display on Profile on or off to control whether the category is visible to others. Just recommend for your business to share posts on Facebook and use features like ads and shopping tools. And without further ado, so you can see who shared your post on Instagram only if you switch to business or creator accounts on Instagram. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.